Step onto the 2008 Ford Escape FWD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, wheels, premium, power door locks, power windows, roof rack, seat, power driver, privacy glass and towing package. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.